This is our room in Sorrento. We've got 2 beds, we noticed, so it looks massive. And we've got a little balcony looking over the garden, but it just also happens to look over everyone's apartments. This is cute though. This is very Amalfi. Cheers! Is it good? So good. So good. First limoncello spritz of Sorrento. It's amazing. So much better than any of the others that I've had. It's like a real spritz. I feel like the other ones that I've had whilst here in Italy have been very hardcore. Outfit check for our first night in Sorrento. Dress is from Elliot. Earrings are from Ulala Boutique. Bag is from somewhere in Italy. I don't know, my mum bought it when she was here. Why am I singing? I don't know, but this is the logo. It's not Dior. Reese boy, what are you wearing?
This shirt is from Zara, I believe.
Yeah.
Pants are from Uniqlo. Shoes are Reebok. Watch is Samsung.
Nice.
Ring is Gucci.
Yes, it is. Sorry, forgot. I'm also wearing Gucci ring and Bri ring. Do we really have to include them?
Shades are from Bailey Nelson.
Yeah, they are.
That's it.
Yep. And show them what you're gonna do if a girl approaches you at a bar. There's a waiter over there that you can maybe see in the background. Probably not because he's blurred out a little. I'm convinced that he also works at the hotel that we're staying at because they're the same hotel chain. And I'm pretty sure he brought our bags up and Reese is convinced that it's not him. He even said that his name was Alex, and then when he came and took our order, he said, "My name is Alex." So I am very convinced that it's the same person, and Reese just won't accept it.
I'm 100% certain it's a different person.
It's the same
This guy
man.
smiled. Our
He's
concierge did not
absolutely
smile
the
once.
same man. He's not the concierge, he's the guy who brought up the bags.
Yeah, the porter.
I am so
100%
convinced.
sure.
He literally said his name was Alex, and this guy is saying that his name is Alex. So it's the same person, and he was so familiar when he came over, like I knew him. I would just like to say, remember in Cinzia and Sophia's vlog, when they were like, oh, it's a cruise ship, and then the man goes falling into the water.
Fully
Got it. So funny. Reese is the king of accents.
No.
Go.
No.
We're doing, let me see what I can do.
No, that's not what I said. I'm
Do it.
having a wonderful time in Sorrento.
Okay, do that. Irish.
We're having a wonderful time in Sorrento.
Let me see what I can do.
I think you were just doing more Irish.
Let me see what I
If you're just joining us, the vloggomer went through an earthquake.
Let me see what I can do. No, what's happening? I'm
was
turning
it.
South African. No, my eye is wrong, and my do is too South African. Let me see what I can do. No, what's happening to my eye? What's eye?
But what's happening to our evening? Which
So this is Sorrento.
you don't need to be filming right now.
It's pretty chaotic, to be honest. There's a lot of people. I didn't expect this.
You tripping 4 times is what's making it chaotic.
Good morning. We are on our way to Capri. I have had nasty morning. I think I drank too much last night. My body hated me this morning and it's been rough, and I've wanted to vlog except for the fact that I felt like I was going to throw up majority of the time. But now we're on the boat and I'm feeling good, which is crazy. You'd think being on a boat or like on a ferry would actually make you feel sick, but I'm feeling quite at ease right now. Welcome to Sunday. We're on our way to Capri. We are hopping on a boat tour that goes around the island. This afternoon we're going to take the ferry from Capri back to Positano. We're going to explore Positano for a little bit, and then from there we are hopping on a little private sunset cruise around Positano. We're so excited. This is just going to be a big day of boats. I think we're technically going to go on 5 different boats today. We probably spent about 40 minutes up in the town of Capri in total. How good. But I did buy a little something something. Woo! The captain just messaged me before. He was like, I'm completely at your disposal.
My disposal means he can tell me a bedtime story.
This sounds like an ideal honeymoon. We decided to walk up until we find a road and take a taxi. I feel sorry for anyone who's staying in Positano. This is wild. The way Our stomachs have betrayed us today. I swear. This is the last straw. Oh, my heart rate is through the roof. Hey, that's pretty. Stunning. Hey, kitty. Hello. Hi. This is our dinner.
The expression, okay? You can see, okay? The expression, okay? Suffering.
Who knew doing the laundry could make me so happy when I don't have to do it all alone? Who knew doing the dishes could lead to some kisses? I think I could do another load. Grace doesn't want to get in the water.
I want to get in the water, but then, because I kind of envision, because we didn't bring the extra clothes, so I envisioned that we would get in the
Swim.
water and then sort of just sit here and dry for a bit.
We still can, they don't close till 6:30.